Hi everyone, I'm Gordon, a game artist based out here in Tencent, Singapore.
And I'm Xingjie, an associate 3D artist here. We're both graduates from DigiPen's BFA in Digital Arts and Animation program. We work in the Tencent Games division, which has focused on developing mobile adaptations of existing IPs and bringing them to the Chinese market.
Some of the mobile games we are known for include Honor of Kings, PUBG Mobile, and Pokemon Unite. In a typical workday, I start the morning with a Scrum update. I also attend weekly meetings with our shifted counterparts to discuss any new changes or tasks. Meetings aside, I create environment concepts for in-house tech demos and gameplay projects as well.
As a 3D artist, I help to create environment assets for video games. My days involve attending meetings where there are presentations, updating the progress of projects, collaborating with various departments and colleagues, including those who are overseas, and also working on a range of assets using a range of software.
As game environment artists, we look out for individuals who have a strong foundation of artistic ability, along with those who possess a keen eye for design. Beyond the technical skills, we also look out for those who are naturally inquisitive and those who are willing to step out and take initiative to work with a larger team through various means of collaboration.
DigiPen has provided me with strong foundations, especially knowledge of the 3D pipeline. This helps me to create concepts more effectively as a 2D artist.
For me, I learned valuable soft skills such as accommodating different project timelines and requirements. I've also learned to collaborate well with colleagues. My time in DigiPen taught me that game development isn't dependent on a single person's successes or failures, but rather the performance and attitude of an entire team.
All in all, I've had a pleasant experience working with and alongside the DigiPen alumni in my project circle, and we hope to see more talented, enthusiastic individuals consider a future with us over here at Tencent.